welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're baking. Water, eggs, oil, muffin mix it. Let's start baking. Voila.
All of them.
A lot?
Yeah, all of them.
Okay. The water now, it's too big. It's too big, Mom. Here, eggs. Now mix it. Yummy. It smells like blueberry. Ooh, look at this, Daddy. It's muffins. My muffins are almost ready with bananas. I'm just kidding. Yeah, this is my side ball. No, I need more oil to put in. Oh, yeah. Let's put the bin. Is that enough? Can't come out. Now mix it back.
Yep.
Ooh, now it's turning purple, Mama. It's turning what? Oh, Daddy, it's turning brown now. It's gray now, Daddy. It looks great now. We need more. No. I'm sorry. Now we're ready to put it in the oven.